70% of your customers add items to the cart but never buy them. Cart abandonments are one of the biggest problems most Shopify store owners face. And believe me, none of you deserve to go through that pain after putting in all those efforts in your business, only to miss the sale after getting so close. Let's solve this for you. Hi, this is Urvashi. In this video, let's understand how free gifts can help drastically reduce cart abandonments. And if you want to boost your conversions, then keep watching till the end. This one's for you. For every 100 potential customer, 70 of them will leave without purchasing. This can happen for a variety of reasons. But don't worry. Introducing free gifts can sweeten the deal for your customers, making them think twice before leaving your site. An added free gift in the cart makes your customer think that they will lose the deal if they don't complete the checkout right now. It's very simple. People don't want to miss out on great deals. Plus, it makes them feel they are getting more by paying less. But it is not as easy as it might sound. You cannot just go offer anything and everything as a free gift to your customer. Selecting the right free gift is crucial. It should be relevant to your customer's interest and complementary to the product in the cart. It doesn't have to be extravagant, but it should be thoughtful. A sample of a new product, a limited edition item, or even a useful accessory can turn a maybe into a definitive yes. Setting up free gifts with promotion might look very confusing, so here's a practical strategy that will help you get started. Make notes. Number 1, define your goals. Targeting cart abandonment reduction specifically, your goal is to incentivize customers to complete their purchase rather than leaving items in the cart without checking out. Number 2, choose your gift. Opt for a free gift that complements the item in the cart or adds value to the overall purchase. This could be a related product, a sample of another product line, or a discount on future purchases. Take a look at this jewelry store, H&DS. They offer a free bracelet on every order that crosses a certain cart limit. They highlight the price of the free gift, which makes the customer think that they will lose something worth this amount if they abandon the cart. They even clearly mention things like delivery time, shipping cost, and payment methods on the cart page itself. The fewer doubts and questions the customer will have, the faster they'll click on the checkout, leading to reduced cart abandonments. And H&DS did it very smartly. Number 3, set the rules. Establish criteria for receiving the free gift that encourages customers to proceed with their purchase. For example, offer the free gift for orders above a certain value or for purchasing specific items that complement the free gift. And while they are browsing, show them that if they complete the purchase, they are eligible for a free gift with purchase. You can use third-party apps like Kite to set these kind of rules and get your free gifts with purchase promotion. It gives you full branding control. It's built for Shopify, so works with all Shopify themes and latest Shopify tech. Kite is easy, fast, and the most reliable app for ensuring you don't miss any sales. A free plan is available. Find the link in the description. Number 4, promote your offer. Highlight the free gift with purchase offer prominently throughout the shopping experience to capture the attention of potential buyers. This can include displaying a banner or pop-up on the website's homepage announcing the promotion, integrating messaging about the free gift on relevant product pages, sending targeted emails to remind customers about the offer and encourage them to complete their purchase to receive the gift. Number 5, follow up with abandoned cart emails. Implement an abandoned cart email sequence to remind customers about the free gift offer and encourage them to return to complete their purchase. Consider offering additional incentives such as discount or free shipping to further incentivize them to complete the offer. Number 6, track and tweak. Monitor the impact of the free gift with purchase promotion on cart abandonment rates through analytics tools. Analyze data to identify any patterns or trends in customer behavior related to the promotion. Based on insights gathered, adjust the promotion strategy as needed. This could involve tweaking the eligibility criteria for the free gift, modifying the promotional message, or testing different types of free gifts to see which resonates best with the customer. By implementing free gifts with promotion in this manner, you provide customers with an extra incentive to complete their purchase, eventually reducing the likelihood of cart abandonment. Additionally, the strategic use of promotions can help enhance the overall shopping experience and foster loyalty among customers. Also, keep these important pointers in mind. Ensure your checkout process is as smooth as silk. A complicated checkout can overshadow the fascinating free gift deal. Use clear, enticing description for your free gifts. Spark curiosity and excitement. Consider the cost. Your free gift shouldn't eat into your profits. Find a balance between generosity and business sense. By implementing a well thought out free gifts with purchase promotion, you can enhance the shopping experience, improve conversion, and ultimately build a loyal customer base. That's it for this one. If you found this one helpful, then consider subscribing to the channel for more such insightful content coming straight to you. And I'll see you in the next one.